Today, we're going to replace the mirrors on the 701. These are the mirrors that originally come with it. They're these big, disgusting circle things that we don't like, so we'll just, I can't take it off. We'll just take those off and put these on it. These are called the quick flip something or whatever mirrors. And normally they would mount onto a bike by simply, I'll just do this upside down, open it up, put it on the handlebar like this or whatever, and then you would screw it on. However, with the Husqvarna you can't because it comes with these neat little hand guards. So Rottweiler Performance makes these little $50 pieces of metal that you drill holes into the hand guards and then you stick it on like that, go around it onto. And so then they look like that. Oh, or would it go like this on the inside? So these attachments themselves, just these little two pieces of metal that come with the kit I bought, they're just the, yeah, that's me throwing the words on the screen and then erasing the words. Oh yeah, you can buy them with these mirrors, like the whole kit from Rottweiler. However, then it's like $200 something, maybe it's $150. It's more expensive. I already had these because they came with my FZ09 when I bought it from the dude. These mirrors on this bike though are kind of garbage, so might as well replace them with more garbage. This right here is the kind man that sent this to me, I think. I don't know why else he would be in my order. And it also came with paper that you're supposed to like measure up and see where it would fit onto it. However, when I do this, that puts this mirror right here, which actually doesn't look bad at all. It's installed and we're done. Now, I don't have any drills or anything, so I have to duct tape it every time. Well, I think that'll do. Here are the mirrors. They look so much nicer than having that big stick sticking out. But I mean, they're on pretty good. They don't wobble too much unless they're taking the whole handlebar with them. Only thing now is I can't actually crash the bike. Well, shouldn't do that to begin with, but if I do, they're gonna fall off. I can see the road behind me well enough, I suppose. They are super vibrating though. Let's see, this one needs to not do that. Alright, that looks decent enough, I suppose. Yeah, I think they work pretty good. Other than being vibrating, but I mean, I can see more behind me now than I could with just the other mirror, because the other mirror just caught most of my elbow. But these are actually pretty good. They're pretty easy to set up. It was kind of hard to figure out how to get the holes on properly. It might be better if I actually did it back here instead, but then my hand would kind of be touching it sometimes. I think it's fine right there. It's gonna stay, you know, it's not gonna like wobble off or anything. So I'll leave it where it is. But I like this so much better than the giant thing that's sticking out of it. It makes the profile of the bike come down, you know, a bit, and it's just, it opens this up, so you can see more. I don't know, it makes it look better. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna end the video now as I go into the other lane of traffic. Still learning to not do that, but you know, no cars are out, so it's safe. Alright, that's it I guess. Thanks for watching.